Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed and styled this wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Hairvivi. They sent me their new upgraded wig, and this wig is named Brooklyn. So here I'm showing you the packaging, gorgeous like always. And also inside the packaging, it was a lot of information about the wig and instructions. So the first upgrade I will be showing you is their new True Scalp tape. So here I'm showing you the two different colors they came out with, and I believe it's going to match a lot of African American skin tones. The second upgrade is their new multicolor HD lace. This lace is more invisible than the original HD Swiss lace, so you don't have to worry about adding makeup or anything like that to your lace anymore. So here's how the wig looks straight out of the package, and as you can see, it's giving scalp already. So the third upgrade is their new wig construction. So here I'm showing you that you have more lace area now. So if you want to achieve a deep side part, you can. So you still have the 3 combs in the elastic band, but the fourth upgrade they made is the new non-slip elastic band. The non-slip elastic band will give you extra security, and it will help prevent the band from slipping. So here I'm showing you the hairline and a good look at the new wig construction. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply the new scalp tape. I'm measuring like an inch away from the hairline, and then I'm going to cut off the extra tape. And then I'm removing the tape and then applying it to my part. And here I'm showing you, like, if you mess up, it's very easy to remove and reapply. Okay, so let's get straight into the install. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the wig to my liking, and then I'm going to cut the excess lace in the front so that it won't be covering my eyes, and then I'm going to cut off the extra lace by my ears. So today I'm using holding spray to apply my wig, and I'm just spraying it along my hairline, and then I'm taking my melting blend and I'm going to apply that for about 15-20 minutes. After that, I'm taking my eyebrow razor and I'm going to remove off the extra lace in the front. And I lost the clip, but after I removed off the extra lace, I did add 2 pieces of baby hair in the front, and then I reapplied my elastic band. So now I'm just adding some curls all over. And this is how it looked when I removed my band. And all I'm doing is taking my hot comb and I'm just making sure everything is nice and flat. So this is the final look, and you guys, I can't stress this enough, like my camera is doing this wig no justice. I will have some photos at the end so y'all can see how it look, but the color is so pretty. So as you guys can see, this wig is gorgeous. The hair quality is amazing, and this wig is very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, plucking a hairline. You don't have to worry about coloring the hair because it's already done for you. And with the new upgrades that they just came out with, you don't have to worry about anything at all. So I will have all the links down below in the description bar, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.